Do you want to fix Poppo Live network connection problem? Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix Poppo Live network connection problem. The first thing you have to do is to go out from your Poppo Live if it's not allowing you to have access to it. Head straight to the settings of your phone. For this video, I'm making use of my Android. So right here on my settings, I just have to scroll and click on app management. Click on app list. Now I just have to search for Poppo Live application. Click on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure that your background data toggle is turned on. Go back to the settings home page. So right here on the settings page, click on SMS and network settings. Click on the particular SIM you want to make sure that it has network access. Scroll. Click on access points. Click on the three lines found at the top right corner of the screen. Now you just have to click on reset to default in order to reset to default. So after these steps, your Poppo Live is going to have enough network just like mine. But if there's any feature you're looking for in this your Poppo Live that is not here, this is what you have to do. Search on your place list for your Android and the Apple Store for your iPhone. So just on your search option, type in Poppo Live and make sure you update your Poppo Live in order to get the feature. Note it's not network, maybe it's because of the feature is the app is not yet updated. If after doing that you still have issue getting the feature and you feel it's network, I advise you go back to your settings. So right here on my settings, I just still have to go back to my app management, app list, search for Poppo, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. So automatically I will be clearing out every trash in my Poppo Live. So guys, with this you'll be able to have full network access to your Poppo Live. If this video was helpful, do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.